In this video, we're going to show you a practical way to import and manage large product catalogs in Shopify. We'll first look at the standard product handling flow and then move into using the Matrixify app to export, edit, and re-import products in bulk. We'll start by heading to the Shopify admin dashboard. From here, navigate to the Products section. This is where all product-related actions happen. So you can click here on Import. Here, Shopify prompts you to upload a CSV file containing your product data. Before uploading, it's important to ensure your CSV follows Shopify's required format. Using Shopify's sample CSV as a reference helps avoid import errors and data mismatches. Once the file is uploaded, Shopify processes the data and maps the fields automatically. Review this step carefully, especially when working with large catalogs, to ensure products, variants, and inventory are structured correctly. After the import is complete, you'll see your products listed in the Products section. From here, you can filter, search, and bulk edit products to make quick updates across your catalog. Finally, always review your storefront after importing products to ensure everything displays correctly, including product images, variants, and pricing. That's it. You've successfully imported products into Shopify and set up a system to manage large catalogs efficiently. Now we'll see how to export and import products in Shopify using the Matrixify app. From the Shopify admin, navigate to Apps and open Matrixify. To begin, click on New Export. This allows us to export existing product data from the store. Next, click on the Select Sheets dropdown and choose Products. This ensures only product-related data is included in the export. Once the product sheet is selected, click on Export. You'll now see the status as Exporting in Progress while Matrixify prepares the file. After the export is completed, the status changes to Export Finished. Go ahead and download the exported file to your system. Now, click on Matrixify again to begin the import process. Click on Add File, then drag and drop the exported file that was just downloaded. This file can now be edited or reused for bulk updates or imports. Once the file is uploaded, click on Import. Matrixify will start processing the data, and you'll see the status Import in progress. When the process is complete, the status updates to Import Finished, confirming that the products have been successfully imported into Shopify. To verify the import, navigate back to the Products section in the Shopify admin. Here, you'll see the newly imported or updated products listed. That's how you can efficiently export and import products in Shopify using Matrixify, making large catalog management faster, safer, and more scalable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Shopify and e-commerce tutorials. And if you're facing any issues or have questions while working with product imports, feel free to share your doubts in the comments. We'll be happy to help.